Elias, and we will be doing another interesting scientific experiment. Today, we will be recreating a new experiment by Sarah, which is the ocean zones and sunlight experiment. So guys, we all know that our sunlight is very important. The sun provides light and life to almost all the plants and animals on Earth, including even those that are in the ocean. Some marine life actually needs more light than the others to survive. But there are animals that live in the depth of the ocean where no light reaches, and for them, they also indirectly relies on the sunlight. So we should know that our food chain relies on nutrients from above drifting down. So in this experiment, we will have a visible representation of how our sunlight moves through the ocean. So let's begin. Here, we will be needing our clear plastic bottle, our water, and we will also be needing our blue dye that represents to give the color to our ocean, and our oil. So let's proceed. First, we will halfway fill this bottle with our water. And then we will pour in our dye. I think I need a funnel. I'm going to pour in our dye for our blue color for the ocean. We will pour in our oil. We're actually going to fill the rest of the bottle with this. And for the fun part, let's put up the lid. And it's time to shoppy shake. Just kidding. Shake, shake, shake. And later on, we will see what happened. So guys, unfortunately, our first try was a fail because we can see that it is the top area that got the dark vision, dark color, and down had the light color. So we will try again on our second try. So guys, I'm back. Unfortunately, after my second attempt, I got the same result. I only got to retrieve 2 layers from what I did, but maybe if you really use the vegetable oil the pre-made food color that is blue, because my own, I made the liquid on my own. I had the powdered food color and I had water. I had to mix it because I wanted to see if I would get the same result. I want to make use of materials that I have at home. But unfortunately, for this one, I wasn't able to get the results that I'm supposed to get. But if we were supposed to do it correctly, I'm going to post a picture here, paste it up here, to see how it's supposed to look like. We're supposed to have 3 layers, the top bottom being the lightest, and as it gradually goes down, it's supposed to get darker. So this is supposed to be a representation of our ocean, with the lighter one from the top, and gradually as it goes down, it turns dark. So when sunlight enters our ocean water, the rays of sunlight are refracted or they bend. And this is because of the density of the water. So this causes the sunlight to slow down and spread apart, so that there's not much sunlight as the ocean gets deeper. So here, when the ocean enters the water and it gets refracted, it slowly spreads, and then there's no more, it's not enough to reach at the bottom of the ocean. So why do our water or our ocean water appears blue? So the water of the ocean appears blue because it absorbs longer wavelengths, as found, of course, in the color red and orange and yellow. Those are with shorter wavelengths. So this gives the light passing through a blue thing. So our water absorbs the longer wavelengths, which are, of course, the color blue. So the specific shade can vary. Yeah, it can vary depending on the depth. The shade of the water, the color of the water, it can vary depending on the depth. And sometimes due to the sediments of the water, and also certain types of algae or plankton contributes to the color of the water. So when scientists refer to the different layers of the water in the ocean, they identify them as zones. So for some scientists, they say our water has 3 main zones. And these zones of the ocean, they refer to as the sunlight, which is the top layer. That's supposed to be the lightest. And then the middle layer is supposed to be the twilight. That's what it's called. And the bottom layer, which is the darkest layer of the ocean, it's called the midnight. The majority of marine life inhabit the upper layer of the ocean. So at the top area where we know as the sunlight, where the rays of light are brighter, that is where most of our marine lives are inhabiting. So, so that is all for the good information. But in case you tried the experiment on your own, try it. I'm recommending you to try it. And this time, do all your means as you can because we can actually like get some materials due to limiting or resources and stuff. But if you do get a chance to properly do this, there will be times that it will like get mixed, will separate into the ocean bottle will separate into water and oil layers like this, which is only water and oil. But you can shake it up again and then you will see the three colored layers again. So I hope guys you learned something. Hopefully you try it and have fun doing it and hopefully you get it to be done successfully. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye!